Creality Cloud, Smart Interconnection Extension. The cloud printing function allows you to upload your models online and print it remotely by the Cloud Slice and Cloud Print. Get rid of the complexities of the traditional method. Only 2 steps are needed to upload your model. On the Creality Cloud, you can keep tracking of your printer's printing conditions and printing process. Instantly view high-definition images as they print with the online monitoring function. You can give full play to your imagination and hands-on ability to solve printing and modeling demand orders for other creators easily by the open Creality community. Share your own artwork through the social function, or check out the interesting works posted by other creators. Find friends on Creality Cloud to discuss interesting things together. The constantly updated model library includes many shared model files that can be printed and used directly for more fun. That's why we have designed a new expansion device, the Creality wifi-Box, which allows you to easily and quickly expand your 3D printer into an intelligent device that can be connected online. It supports Creality-branded models and most Marlin models. Whether you're a pro, a hobbyist, or a noob, Creality Cloud brings a whole new approach to printing. The only thing you have to do is to enjoy every moment of your creative journey. We see that the future has unlimited possibilities. Creality Cloud.